Alright, welcome back. This is another episode of the Betsy Ross Jeep series. I think that's what it's called. This is episode 22, I think. I might have gotten it wrong last time. I don't remember. We're in the 20s somewhere. We're gonna be working on the interior again today. We have to take stuff out, but we're gonna vacuum more today. Maybe we'll do a little more cleaning, like scrubbing stuff, but I doubt it. Probably just gonna be vacuuming and pulling stuff out. Let's get started. Here's the before video. Just to note how dirty and gross it looks. Now I'm gonna vacuum it. So here's the back. Looks much better, and front also much better. But as I was not surprised, there's lots of mouse crap, and there's this gross spot there. There's a lot of crap on and underneath the seat that was right here. So I'm gonna get something to scrub that or something, because that's really gross to me. So yeah, that's what I'm doing next.
One eternity later.
So I have some pretty exciting news. Mara passed her driver's test, and now she has her driver's license. So we need to get this done. But unfortunately, Mara is running into a couple weeks before her play, tech week I think they call it, where she's practicing for that play 3, 4, 5 hours a day or something like that, and she will be doing that for the next couple of weeks. I am, again, bouncing around. Work has been crazy, not had the time to even think about this thing in a while. But in about 2 weeks, all of that's going to calm down a little bit. She's going to be done with her play. I'm going to have a little more time at home. We're going to get back on it. But until then, thank you so much for watching. Thanks for stopping out. See you on the next one.